welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a Target haul. We went to Target and we picked up a few things, household products, body care products, mostly body care products and house care products. So let's start with the first bag. The first thing that we picked up is this Olay hand serum. It's a moisturizing hand serum with B3. It hydrates for soft, smooth skin. So I want to give this a try to see how it works. It's our non-greasy and lightweight formula infuses skin with fast absorbent moisturizer so that it stays healthy looking throughout your day. My husband is having really dry skin right now, to the point where it's breaking his skin, so I wanted to get this especially for him to try. I will, in an empties video, I will let you guys know how this did. What else is in this bag? I have some Mr. Clean soap scum magic eraser. So it's for the bath tub, for the glass shower, and the inside of the tub. I've never used this for the shower, so I'm excited to see how this goes. But Mr. Clean magic eraser. And then I also picked up some Target earplugs. I must use earplugs because my husband snores. So earplugs is 32, is it 32? 12 earplugs. It says 32 decibels. They are foam material. So they're comfortable, nothing breaks off. I've used plastic ones before and the little tip broke off inside my ear. I had to go to the doctor to get it removed, so I used the foam ones. But this is the Target brand and there's 12 earplugs in here. Okay, next bag is filled with home care products. So I picked up some Clorox Cleaner with bleach. This is to clean everywhere, bathroom, kitchen, but the Clorox. This is the green bottle one. Kills COVID-19, but Clorox bleach. Next thing we picked up is this fabric softener. It is a purifying softener with vinegar powered clean light, detoxifying your clothes. It's lemon scented and it says it leaves no vinegar odor behind. It is the 9 elements. Again, this is a fabric softener. And let's see what else we have. I picked up a new body oil. I'm going to try the Target brand. It is the light sesame formula. It is the one that is compared to Neutrogena body oil. So I've never used this before. I've used Dr. Teal's and I'm currently using the Palmer's cocoa butter one. And I've used the Olay body conditioner, but I've never used this one, so I'm excited to give it a try. It doesn't have coconut oil, and I've stated before that I cannot use coconut oil on my skin because it breaks me out. So this is a bigger bottle. It was only $6.99, so I'm excited to give this one a try. I also picked up another body lotion. I use a different body lotion at night from what I will use in the morning, and one that I like to use at night is the Olay, if this will focus, the Olay body lotion. This one is the collagen, so it's firming and hydrating. I believe the last one I finished was the Shea butter. I'm not sure, but it will be in the empties video. But this one I picked up today is the collagen one. And speaking of Olay, also my nighttime body wash is different from my daytime body wash. It's still Olay, But this one I picked up is the Olay Rough Dry Skin with cocoa butter and B3. So this is the one I'm gonna try. I was actually looking for because the one I'm using now that's almost done is sugar. It has sugar scrubs in it, so it's a nice light exfoliating one, but it was completely off the shelf. The lady said they didn't have any more, so I'm excited to give this one a try, the Rough Dry Skin with cocoa butter. So I also picked up shaving cream for my husband. My husband uses this shaving cream. It's the BARBASOL Soothing Aloe. So it's soothe and restore. This is the one that he prefers. So we picked up some more shaving cream. I also picked up this hand cream. It's the Vaseline Intensive Care Healthy Hands Stronger Nail with Keratin. So I am going to put this in my purse. Let's see. I'm gonna put this in my purse to moisturize my hands when I'm out and see if it helps, even though these are press-ons, if it helps with my nails, but mostly to moisturize my hands. But Vaseline Healthy Hands Stronger Nails with Keratin. So excited to give that a try. And I picked up some more witch hazel. I picked up 2 bottles of witch hazel, the T. N. Dickinson witch hazel. I have told you guys that I use this for my underarms after I shower, before I put on my deodorant, and my husband now uses this as an astringent for his face. But 2 bottles of this and 2 more bags. I picked up more body scrubs. So I picked up some new scents, not flavors, but scents. I picked up the strawberry. So this is the Tree Huts. This is the only body scrub that I've been using for probably a year now. But this one is the strawberry scent. So Tree Hut Strawberry Shea Sugar Scrub for hydrated, youthful looking skin, made with shea butter, strawberry, and beta hydroxyl salicylic acid. This smells like a strawberry sorbet. This smells like food. I'm going to love this. And I also picked up the Moroccan Rose scent as well. So let's see. I think I had this one before. This smells sweet as well, but a nice rosy smell. But these are the 2 scrubs that I picked up. In the last bag, I am running out of leave-in conditioner, so I picked up the MIELLE SEAMOSS blend. It's the anti-shedding leave-in conditioner infused with saw palmetto. And I haven't, the leave-in conditioner I'm using now is from Melanin Hair Care, and I wanted to try something new, and I am going to give this a try. I haven't used anything from MIELLE Organics in a long time. It has a smell, but it's not strong. It has a nice fresh smell. But they do have good products. I just haven't used anything outside of Melanin Hair Care since Melanin Hair Care launched 2 years ago, maybe. I think it's going into the 2nd year. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with Melanin Hair Care. That's Whitney. She's a she's still a YouTuber, but she launched her own hair care line, leave-in conditioner, twisting cream, shampoo, and so those were the products I was using, except for like I would use a different deep conditioner. But I'm out, and I'm gonna give Melanin Hair Care a try. I also picked up this Olay Cleansing and Revitalizing Hand Wash. It is the Orange Blossom. So this is what we're going to use along with the Olay serum. So we're going to try the hand wash and then use the serum and see if it helps with his cracking skin. So again, this is the Olay Vitamin C with B3 Cleansing and Revitalizing Hand Wash. So let's see, our advanced hand wash formula infused with vitamin C and B3 complex cleanses and moisturizes to leave hands feeling smooth and looking radiant. So I found out that Olay came out with a hand wash a while back and never ran into it, and I finally saw it today. So I'm excited to give that a try. And the other Witch Hazel. And picked up a deodorant for my husband. This is the Olay, the Dove 0%. This is in the scent Sandalwood and Orange. So this is the deodorant that we use, and this is the one that my husband uses. This is the men's. I sometimes use the men's, but I have completely switched over to women's. And that is all that I got from Target. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there's anything in this video that I showed you that you have tried, let me know if you like it. Excuse me. If there's anything that I showed you that you would like to try, sorry, please give it a try. Let me know how it works for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you